and I'll show you a really cool house. There are 3 bedrooms situated on the entrance floor, and they all have its own story to tell. And when you come here, I'll tell you the story. Let's have a look. As you can see, there is absolutely nothing left to the coincidences in this superior master bedroom. Come here and I show you. You wake up well, you sleep well, and how about a coffee or a drink in the morning or evening as you prepare for the events to come. Check out the wallpaper. It makes you wonder where you really are in the world. Are you in Spain, or could you really be in somewhere Tuscany? So the 3 most spectacular things about this house, apart from the views of course, are definitely the gym, the amazing cinema room and the features you find in there, and the rock star roof terrace. So here we have this rock star roof terrace, which you really have to check out. I love it so much because it does have a jacuzzi and it makes you want to spend time here. In addition, you naturally have a bar, a barbecue, and the lovely lounge area.